unenjira yemo yokurigia chinchira chokomento mubaro bwa Kishugura hime ye county ya Nyamira ni goli tukulia lero ikiombe kyo getene toba choli ne jimbibe IEBC bakora wono mu commissioner w'ikiombe kyo asireta Professor Francis Aduol ubaikirana sigi kare kyo ngamo no mu county commissioner w'i county ya Nyamira Shufo Mwijuma Omare mo bunge hokitu masabu muske kribu gisairo abarayibe chikanisa nabaigo aba 9 ukwana sigi kare kyo Professor Aduol igakwanira umubaro moke hoyo bweso kiriwe kaboniga helikolikiwa wabuna ba Kishugura asibiga haira chinga kecho na kubuli abasae beso kiasobunge na kubwata chikurecho muri kitufatika digisemba oroboti rwa senchira yo wekirano
ekeiga negekaro yokurigia chinchira cyo kubasegeta basae na onde bwenzi utarabwate ekura korende orine kibande igoro yobya bokweri kya ekura na boigo waka ekura puna enchira eyemo yogokinia umubaro bwaba Kichikura na igo igekare keiga nigo kyaragwa no mu commissioner wekiombekeria ketendete obochori na boigo chimbebe kya IEBC asereta Professor Francis Aduol.
Simply try to talk with them and try to see how we can help each other in encouraging people to come out and register in large numbers. We are always looking at ways to improve on the ways we do things, including voter registration, which is what is in our hands just now.
As a stakeholders forum, a commissioner wa IEBC acha na litoba to jale kusanga na kero monto chikanisa human rights group abarai na bananchi au koranga ki turapente abantu bakwirika bwati chikura
aiga nigo Professor Francis Aduol ahenekia buna gwikabono asomoroberio oyogendrete bwokurikia ba Kichikura abaya imeye county ya Nyamira nigo omobaro omokemono nigo onyareko bakogwesokia na kurikiwa buna aba Kichikura aseboigo abaenekerie abanyamira buna oria utache konyora ribaga ryokurikiwa buno mwake kura nigo chiobisi cha IEBC kirache kogenderera kubarikia nonyanekera omoroberio
We have noted that Nyamira County is one of the counties where the registration has not picked up to the levels that we expected. We received information that the level of voter registration is not very high, and we are appealing to people to come out and especially take advantage of the next few days when ECVR is still going on. Of course, after ECVR, we are going to continue registering people at the constituency offices and also at Huduma centers.
Ase ensemo yaye omobunke ukitutu masaba omosekela ifombane kisairo nigo airire chinga kechi na kuboria omogusibwensi otumeka chinga kechi bya IEBC yabekira ensemo ase okubarikia aba Kichikura abaya puna enchira eyemo kochora abarai abaya
oribere lyo kanyaranga Nyamira bado maegere actually ni tutoshigete Kenya ngima we are number last in the Republic of Kenya neyo terikolete bichekia ekarnande tumaite ngantu bwato yo moito kurigie kirogeke kyobona na bwetse gerasma abantu baito abasae amona abagakambara abange twanyorere batabwate tikura moso kesiko ubwate chikura bone ekaru tubwate ECVR eye ete IEBC okosubore bagocha chikona au esi constituency cheto tubwate chikura nabo soroira abantu banyamira tafadhali toso kesiko IEBC yabikire mikakati emiya yokororanga abantu bonse babwatire chikura tiagocha kolera ngubura inobobe ekerota iyo esibali bakubwata bagochora barayaba ekakinereye wate ikura bona iga keuka 2027 onyore libaga yogochora umurayuri ekerengere kyao kekoete barabasokonya esi ito na county amone constituency amone chiward cheto
Kingo reporter Getembe koraigase bunge ya West Mugirange yego toke meye county ya Nyamira Nchefatigad Gesemba